Dear children, last day I taught you civics, lesson 4, understanding media. In this chapter, I also taught you media democracy, print media or press and electronic media. Today I will teach you political parties. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज क्या हैं आप पहले जाने। ये आपने सुना होगा जनता दल, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, बसपा, कमल वाली पार्टी सुना होगा, सपा वाली सुना होगा, सब जिसकी साइकिल आपका चुनाव चिन्ह है, सिंबल है। ऐसे आपने हाथी एलिफेंट के बारे में सुना होगा, एलिफेंट जिसका चुनाव चिन्ह है। ऐसे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कौन कौन है? पहले आपने सबसे रोज वाली पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भाजपा जिसे कहते हैं, साइकिल वाली आपकी है सपा, और एलिफेंट वाली आपकी बसपा। अब ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टियाँ हैं। इसके अलावा और भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टियाँ हैं, शिवसेना, बजरंग दल, अकाली दल, असम गण परिषद, अनेक प्रकार की पॉलिटिकल पार्टियाँ हैं। अब ये क्या है? ये एक प्रकार के राजनीतिक संगठन है जो देश में शासन करने व सरकार का विरोध करने के लिए अपना कार्यक्रम चलाते हैं। यहाँ लिखते हैं पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में, बुक में, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आर लाइक फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। दे प्रोवाइड ए लिंक बिटवीन द गवर्नमेंट एंड पब्लिक। दे एक्सप्लेन द पॉलिसी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट टू द पीपुल एंड एजुकेट पीपुल ऑन द basis of their political and economic program. They use newspaper and public meeting to preach their respective ideologies. Election. Political parties propagate their programs and policies, especially during the election. They try to win over the citizen by means of poster speeches in public meeting, political literature distribute among the people, etc. Now, media ethics and accountability. Media is supposed to follow certain ethics. It should be free from bias, be natural, honest and transparent. It should be responsible for all its news and views and accountable to the public at large. It should not indulge in malpractice to gain cheap popularity. Enactment of Rights to Information Act, a case study. Enactment of Right to Information, जिसे RTI कहते हैं हम लोग। The right to information implies that people have the right to know everything that affects their lives directly or indirectly. For example, farmers often acquire a copy of their land's record together with a map when they wanted to divide their property among their children, or they want to loan from the bank to dig a well in their land, or they want to sell off their land. Let us take another example. When a person is involved in a court case, he should be provided all the documents concerning his case so that he can know why he was involved in the case. A poor villagers may want to seek information as to why the amount sanctioned by the government has not been provided to him and other villagers. To get this right, people had to struggle for long. They restored to staging dharna, hold demonstration and even gherao. Certain officials ultimately their efforts bore fruits and many state government were forced to pass Right to Information Act. The Rajasthan government took the initiative in the passing the Rajasthan Right to Information Act 2000. The demand for such right was raised by the member of the Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan formed in 1990. They restored to dharna and hunger strike and untimely. The government had to held and was forced to pass act. By this act, the people got the right to information in all spheres of the government. The right to information gives the citizen an opportunity to check the deeds of any authority. Such a right had a dramatic effect on the prevalent modes of corruption. The governments of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Goa also enacted similar act. Now, advertising. Advertising is the techniques and practice used to bring products, services, opinion or causes in the public domain for the purpose of persuading the public to respond in a certain way towards what is advertised. Most advertisements involve promoting goods for sale, but similar methods are used to encourage people to drive safely, to support various charities, or to vote for political candidates. Among others, advertising includes all forms of paid and non-personal communication and the promotion of the products, service or ideas by the specified sponsor. It appears in such media as print, newspaper, magazine, billboard, flyers, or broadcast radio, television. Model of advertising. The most basic medium is the newspaper, which offer advertiser is large circulation readership, locations close to the advertiser's place of business and opportunity to alter their advertisements on a frequent and regular basis. Magazine may be general interest or may be aimed at specific readers. They offer product manufacturers the chance to make contact with their most likely customers. Now, next tip.